Hi Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of March 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Virgo, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Virgo, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy for the month of March 2021. Let's see what we have here, Virgo. Also, Virgo, please note that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Virgo, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's see on your person energy here, Virgo. Okay, so let's see the overall energy. Okay, Virgo, so on this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now, looking at the sign that I've got for you here, Virgo, I've got the fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. I've got the earth sign coming up here, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, as well as air energy, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. So you could have any of these signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now, looking at your energy here, I've got the moon energy, the Queen of Pentacles, and the hermit mode coming up here. So I feel like at this point of time here, Virgo, you have made this particular decision to just go into a hermit mode is what I'm getting here, especially with this hermit energy and the moon card coming up here. The full moon energy has been quite intense for you, I would say here, Virgo, or even like the next upcoming new moon energy, which is going to be the around the mid-March, I would say here. But with this moon and the hermit energy here, you're basically being advised or being encouraged to go into yourself, just to step back for a little bit here and go into a meditational mode, or even like go into the nature, go into a small retreat energy is what I'm getting coming up here very, very strongly with this energy. Because I feel like this particular full moon, like this particular moon phases, I would say here, the full moon, the upcoming full moon, and the upcoming new moon energy here is actually going to be quite intense for you. So try to use this to just go into yourself and find out through what are the things that you need to heal, what are the emotional pain and the emotional trauma that you need to heal, that you need to like be grounded more on yourself is what I'm getting here. That is also another reason why I've got the Queen of Pentacles energy coming up here as well, Virgo. The Queen of Pentacles, which is the little Empress energy, basically like someone who's actually grounded, someone who knows their true power is what I'm getting here. Look at this Queen of Pentacles. Look at this Queen of Pentacles energy, the lady energy coming up here. Someone who's actually just, like just chilling, I would say here, like no matter what is going on in her life. Again, the gender does not matter, male or female, but whatever going on in their life coming up here, Virgo, they're just chilling. They're just like, okay, it's okay, because they have this particular faith, they have this particular knowledge that something positive is actually going to happen out of any situation here, be it a good or be it a bad one here. So this is how you need to come here, Virgo. This is how you need to heal from yourself and be into this grounded energy here. And then I've also got the King of Wands energy coming up here as well. As you may notice, I've got the King of Swords energy coming up here from your person. So I do feel like within the next moon phases, I would say here, Virgo, either the new moon or the full moon energy here, you're going to see a massive change coming up from your person. And what kind of massive change coming up here is that with this King of Wands energy, I do feel like your person has been more into their ego, or at least into the egoistical stage here. But with this King of Swords energy coming up here, you're going to see changes coming up from your person, especially when it comes into the communication. And what do I mean by that here is that looking back into the past, like looking back on how when both of you were together here, Virgo, your person is not really someone who's actually, like open up with the communication. This is someone who's actually like more into a logical, like critical thinking, as well as someone who's actually like more into the ego, stubbornness energy coming up here. So the changes that you're actually going to see into the future here is that throughout the month of March 2021 here, Virgo, is that you're going to see your person is actually going to be opening up, at least in terms of the communication here. You're going to see them being like, they are going to be more open up, or at least they're opening up more, I would say here, Virgo, about their true feeling and about their true emotion towards you here. And as you may notice here, Virgo, I've got the Queen of Swords energy coming up here as well. So with this King and the Queen of the same suit coming up together, this is already the confirmation that both of you have a very, very strong soul connection coming up here. Now I've also got the Knight of Pentacles and the Eight of Wands energy. Now with this Eight of Wands energy coming up here, this is basically talking about things are about to get taken off, I would say here, between you and your person here, Virgo. So this can actually also coming up in a form of the communication, because I'm getting like a very strong communication energy coming up here as well. So I do feel like you have been waiting for a while, I would say here, with this Knight of Pentacles energy. You've been waiting for a while for at least having this communication to happen between both of you, and just generally for things to just like picking up between both of you, because it's like both of you at this point of time and in this particular situation here, Virgo, have hit a massive pause, or at least like a temporary pause energy, like a standing still energy at this point of time. But you're going to start seeing things moving on, or at least you're going to see things starting to take off gradually coming up here, which is going to be which is actually going to be leading up to both of your union here. And with this Knight of Pentacles energy, as you can see here, there is this particular pentacle that this lady is carrying. Again, the gender does not matter, but with this Knight of Pentacles energy here, even though that your person is going to take, I wouldn't say like a slow approach, but a gradual takeoff is actually going to be there between you and your person. So even though it's going to be like a gradual thing, but your person, they're going to come out with a pure intention, and they're going to come out with this pure commitment towards you here, Virgo. So expect some sort of like communication. The communication is going to take off, as well as they're going to come with the pure commitment that they want to be in a committed relationship with you here, Virgo. And then I've also got the Healing Light energy coming up here with this the vast universe energy coming up here as well. So at this point of time here, what is currently going on between both of you here is that a very strong healing energy coming up here. So just know that all of this healing and all of this prayer that you have been putting up into the universe, God, angels, universe, whoever you are believing in here, Virgo, they're actually starting to work into you and as well as into your person energy here, especially with this healing light coming up here. I'm getting like a very strong healing energy coming up for you and your person energy. And I do feel like the next moon phases, the full moon and the new moon energy is also going to be quite intense when it comes into the healing, is what I'm getting for you here, Virgo. So that's it for your reading. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.